Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys saw the title of the video. We're gonna do a little unboxing right now of the Samsung Galaxy S10 in 2021. We're gonna see how this phone holds up this year. Well, right now we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and I'm gonna try to go through the little setup, show the condition it's in. I bought this through Swappa. Actually, as soon as this video goes up, probably within a day or so, you're gonna see another video that I did this past weekend. I actually ordered a renewed S10 through Amazon, and that other video you'll see the process of what happened. So yeah, I went through the whole unboxing and talking through everything that I was doing, and I ended up getting the wrong phone. So you guys will see what phone I got. Some of the risks of what happens when you go through Amazon renewed. So I returned that one and I requested my refund. So I went through Swappa for this one and I ended up paying $257 shipped to my house through Swappa. This is the white Galaxy S10. This is a 6.1 inch screen. And yeah, I just want to, I'm always, I wouldn't say I'm an Apple sheep, but they just make products that work really well. And the ecosystem is what people get stuck in. And that's why I always go back to Apple. But I love Android. I love customizing. I love, just the freedom that you get with using an Android phone. Whether you slap another skin on it or you go ahead and download another launcher, or you customize like the look and feel of the phone. So I do love Android, and I always like to have two phones at a time, one for backup or just to play around. Family members that might be watching this video know that I'm always investing or wasting my money on other phones. I always buy and sell phones left and right. So enough of that. Let's get into this. Again, this was through Swappa. I got it for $257 shipped. The one that I just returned, because I got the wrong one through Amazon renewed, that one I had paid $243 shipped. And yeah, I got the wrong phone, so that's why I sent it back. So let's see if this is worth it in 2021. Nice little package, tips and tricks. Swappa, eBay, back market. So I guess they go through everything right here. So they send you a little charging brick. Just no name. And they do send you also a USB-C cable. So you get that. So let's set that aside and let's check this phone out. This was in a good condition, not mint. So let's check it out. So you guys can tell the screen is in mint condition, which it said that the screen was flawless. I guess maybe the back may have some minor little nicks or something, or maybe the frame may not be in perfect condition. So it said like an A-. So not bad for what you get. Let me throw this out of the way. So let's see if it has any juice, and let's start it up. It does. I also have a ton of little things that I already bought for it. So I got the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. This is a pricey screen protector for $39.99, but it's something that I've always used from my Pixel lines to the Samsung, the Note 9s that I've had and all that. This works great. And I also got a speaking case. And I got some magnets that'll let you wirelessly charge, because I do need wireless charging. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Let's see. %. Screen looks good. Let me sign into Wi-Fi. So there it is. It's connected to my Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's look, this phone is 2 years old and this screen is still beautiful. I mean, I got my iPhone 12 Pro here. This is a good screen. It's also OLED, but this is OLED and this is a 2K screen, 1440p. Now, the reason I went with this phone and not anything else that may be a little bit newer, I'm still getting updates on this phone. It is slated to get Android 12. It's coming out pretty soon. And you're also getting a lot of other perks. So you're getting the wireless charging, you're getting 2K screen, you're getting water resistance, you're getting headphone jack, which you don't usually see anymore. You're also getting expandable storage, so you're getting a micro SD here. So screen, camera wise, you're still getting standard, ultra wide, telephoto. So you're getting a little bit of everything that people have right now. You're not getting a high refresh rate screen, but is that really worth it? Or spending $800 or $900? Like I said, so these are the three. This is in the white color. I always wanted to get a white color phone. Let's see how the speakers sound. Just pull up a little video. Let me see. I gotta play. Cancel. Oh, no, Bixby. Sounds good. You do get those stereo speakers. You also get Dolby Atmos. You get you get wireless power share, so you could go ahead and share power to, if I want to actually share power to my phone here. Let me see. I'll tell you guys right now. I'll show you guys. Share, quick share, wireless power share. So, okay. So if I wanted to juice up my phone while I'm out and about, I could do that. Again, you just get a lot of perks with this phone for the price. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna install my screen protector, get my case on it and everything. I'll probably give you guys an update, see how it is using it, see if I feel any difference from using a flagship phone, $1,000 iPhone. And I mean, this was obviously a $1,000 phone when it came out, but now it's $250. And you're still getting updates. You're still getting a great screen, super bright, very, very bright. Nice, beautiful AMOLED, 1440p, 2K display. So yeah, not much you can complain about for the price. I'm gonna load up all my stuff on here and play with it for a little bit, and I'll get back to you guys on the next one. But you guys will see another video. I'm gonna try to make it short, just cut a little bit into it and show you guys what happens when you go through Amazon Renewed. It could happen. The seller was a little upset about it happening, but they sent me the wrong phone. So it is on their way back to them right now, so they could go ahead and get me my refund. But yeah, it's a 60 hertz display, but even though this is 2 years old and this is late last year, this is still not a 120 or a 90 hertz screen. It's still a 60 hertz. Maybe this year they'll be going 120 on the Pros. We'll wait and see. But yeah, this is still a beautiful, beautiful AMOLED display. And yeah, again, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, see if you guys want to see any other videos. I may be recording the installation of the Whitestone Dome because I know that these can be a little tricky. But I'm not sure because I may be nervous on screen to do it, and then I might just mess it up, and I don't want to damage the screen. So we'll see. But if anything, guys, hit me up in the comments. I'll be down there responding back. giving you guys any insight, any info, and I'll try to do a updated review in a couple weeks and let you guys know how it is using the phone. You guys have a good one. See you guys in the next one. Just want to get my address in there. Okay. Thank you for choosing certified refurbished, Amazon. Okay, here's the phone. I went with the black prism. I wanted to get the white, but for some reason they didn't have any available at the time I was ordering it. And then I see now, like a day or two later, that they have. And they sent me the wrong phone. They sent me the Galaxy S9, not an S10, as I ordered. So there you go. This will be going back. But in the box, they do go ahead and send you the power brick, a tool, SIM ejector tool, and also the USB-C cable. Well, that'll be great and dandy if they actually would have sent me the right phone. So yeah, I mean, pretty good shape overall. Screen looks good. Very little micro scratches. And the back is pretty darn clean. But as you guys can tell, Galaxy S9, not an S10, not what I ordered. So this will be going back.